Hi, it's Candy Brune, your Pull No Punches accountability powerhouse. And after a day of cleaning up a lot of loose ends or going through emails with all the traveling that I've had going on and the opportunities, I've really had some backlog on some things as far as some action items and some things just to get my business moving in the right direction. But what really leads me to think about some of the toxic energy that we carry around with us and some of the ways that we hold on to either people in our business or things that don't serve us. And so what I want you to think about today are two phrases. One is bless and release, and the other one is release and replenish. And what I mean by that is when you have an opportunity to move away from things that no longer serve you, whether it be people, whether it be actions, whether it be activity, whether it just be resources or tools in your business, there's really an opportunity to be grateful for what they did for the time that they've served in your life. Whether they were an anchor, you can still be grateful for the fact that they were what you needed at a certain time, but allow yourself to let that go. And so it was interesting through some of my talks the last couple days, the idea of really release and replenish came up, but then my friend Preston actually introduced and said, you know, I really like the concept of bless and release as well. And when I think about that, that's really powerful, because think about the fact that whatever has shown up in your life, whoever has shown up in your life, there's always a reason. And so when you can bless those opportunities, when you can bless those resources, those people, those things that have made you who you are today, and then release them when they don't serve you anymore, it's just going to give you more access to do more in your business. So I really invite you to think about those things that you can bless and be grateful for, and then release because they no longer serve you. And once you do that, once you allow yourself to release, then you open yourself up for the opportunities to replenish, because it's all about new growth. It's all about the next level. It's all about how to go big to grow big and really accomplish the things that are aligned with your innermost desires and dreams. And so with that, remember, always say yes to yourself first and destroy the noise that's getting in the way so that you truly can make 2015 your year to go big to grow big. Talk to you soon. Take it easy and have a great night. Thanks.